How to set a reminder on your Android phone. In this video, I'll show you how to set a reminder on your Android phone using Google Calendar. Start by opening the Google Calendar app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner and select Task. You can also choose Event if you'd like to create a calendar event instead. Next, enter a title for your reminder. To set a specific date and time, turn off the All Day option if it's enabled. Then tap the Date field to choose when you'd like to receive the reminder and set the desired time. If you want the reminder to repeat, you can customize the repeat settings based on your preferences. After you've entered all the details, tap Save in the top right corner. Your reminder will now be added to Google Calendar and you'll receive a notification at the scheduled time. You can always edit or delete the reminder later by tapping on it within the Google Calendar app. That's it. You've successfully learned how to set a reminder on your Android phone. If you found this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.